This is what you are looking for, and it's called the Wonder Core. It's an amazing 6-in-1 ab sculpting system that's going to help you get the abs, the obliques and also the lower back muscles in 6 different ways. With Wonder Core you can go beyond 180 degrees. You're either too busy working or taking care of kids, so you let yourself go and you give up on your midsection completely. And then there are those of you doing crunches but just not getting results. The problem is, it's easy to cheat. You can strain your neck and back, and it gets boring. Right? But today we're going to change all that. Unlike crunches on the floor, where you mainly work on your abs on the way up, the Wonder Core's unique dual resistance design means you're working against resistance as you lean back and as you come back up. What's also great is that if you are just getting started, the resistant can actually help you to come back up. It gives you a nice revitalizing massage up and down your spine. It really will help transform your entire core so you can have that body you want. Right on the upper, middle, lower abs and obliques plus the muscles in your back for an amazing and effective total core workout. All you have to do is use the Wonder Core for just a few minutes each day.